Hi guys, welcome to another video by Optionables. My name is Saket and in this video we are going to review the trades taken on 2nd of September 2021, which is an expiry day. So today we didn't do a lot of trading, we only adjusted some of the positions and we also exited one positional trade. So the positional trade from the past 2 days has given really good profits and I'll be showing you the same. As well as I'll also be showing you what adjustments we did as well as what positions we exited. Since we didn't do a lot of trading, so this expiry was less hectic than the usual expiry. So I will have more time to show the detailed video of what exactly happened. So before moving on to the video, there are a couple of important things which I would like to tell. So first thing, if you haven't checked out our courses, then do log into courses.optionables.in. So there were some issues regarding the coupon, so we have resolved all of it. So if you want to register to fundamentals of options, then do use the code option100 and you will be getting this course for free. If you want to register for common sense investing, then do use the code optionables100 and you will be getting the entire course for free. Next, moving on. So there is an offer from Firstock. So Firstock is the broker which we are using. So till September 30th, there is absolutely free trading. So if you are interested, you can also check out the account opening link is given in the description below. So they don't have any restrictions on out of money, and as of now they are providing 100% collateral and there is free trading till 30th of September. So if you want, then definitely check that out as well. So we have also come across the statistics where almost 35% of the people who watch our videos haven't subscribed to our channel. So if you are one of them, then please do hit the like button as well as subscribe button, and if you are liking the content, then share this with your friends as well. Thank you so much for joining guys, and I'll be seeing you soon in the next video. Hi guys, welcome to another video by Optionables. So here we are going to discuss more about the positional trades which we are carrying. So this is going to be a short video where we are going to review each one of the positions which we have, and we are going to see what adjustments we have done and how the expected payoff looks like. Right? So the thing is, if you are joining to this video new, then we have already discussed about the existing position in the previous video. So don't forget to check that out. So the link is given in the description, as well as you can also see a pop-up coming on top. You can click that and first understand what are the positions which we are having. So later we have already done one adjustment before this. So today we are going to review this position again and see what are all the adjustments that we have done and how the new payoff looks like. Right? So before moving on, so previous 2 days were more of a consolidation. So if you see on Tuesday as well as Wednesday, so market more or less consolidated around the level of 17,000. Right? So then today we saw some very good up move of around 150 points in Nifty. So Bank Nifty also performed really well. So we saw Bank Nifty shooting up quite a lot. And if you remember, we had a bullish bias in Bank Nifty, and anything up move would definitely favor our position. So the thing is, yesterday and today alone, we were able to make an unrealized M2M of somewhere close to 8 lakh. So you can see right over here, we have a profit of 5,40,000 in today's M2M. Here is the screenshot of yesterday's trade which I took from phone. So yesterday we had a profit of 2,72,000. So 2 days put together, we have actually made somewhere around 8 lakh. And yesterday we didn't obviously do any trades and we left the position as it is, right? So overall we will discuss how the new adjusted position looks like and what exactly have we done. So the thing is, the first position what we had posted on Sensibull is this particular leg. So here we have done couple of more adjustments. So we will also be discussing about the logic behind that. So right now you can see that if the market actually shoots up, right, my P&L will slowly start decreasing. So right now it's around 1.2 lakh what I am about to realize. And as the market starts to shoot up, my P&L will start to drop. So it can also come up till 66,000, 65,000, and beyond that nothing is going to happen. So there will be no change beyond that. So for this particular position, we felt that we don't have to have such a low break even. That is 16,664, right? So that is quite a bit to expect for next week. That too by September 9th, I am definitely not seeing Nifty come till here, right? So I can definitely shift my positions little bit. So what exactly am I doing? One thing, since I don't expect the market to fall, having this put leg means that I will be losing on some premium decay. So the first thing what we did for this particular leg is exit this particular put leg 10 lots. So once that goes, you can see the curve becomes more flattish, right? So next thing is we have 16,700 PE 200 lots. The question is, am I actually expecting Nifty to fall to 16,700? The answer is no, because first I find a very strong support coming in at 17,000, and below that there is 16,800 which will act as a very strong support. So if you ask me, I definitely don't see Nifty going up till 16,670. So for this particular position, what we have done is we exited this 16,700 put options and we have shorted 120 lots of 16,750 put option as well as 80 lots of 16,800 put options. So the thing is, with this particular thing, you can see our new break even is 16,736, and I am expecting Nifty to hold this level for next week. And from here, wherever Nifty goes, it doesn't really matter. We will be getting somewhere around a flattish of 1.5 lakh. So that is a pretty decent amount for next week. So even if Nifty moves between the range of another plus or minus 500 points, we'll still be realizing around 1.5 lakh. So that is with respect to this particular Nifty trade as well as adjustment. So right now it is going fairly well. So maybe we will consider exiting and moving closer towards 700 PE. So we'll think about that later on. So right now this is the current trade, and if any adjustments are done, I'll definitely let you know. So the next trade what we have is this Nifty 16 September calendar spread. So you can again go and see the initial video where we had first taken the entry and made one adjustment. The thing with this is that it has already come very close to our break even, right? So we were actually with a decent profit, not a lot of profit. We just had a profit of around 35,000 or 40,000 with this particular trade. So we thought, instead of again adjusting this, since we already have a Nifty trade, we completely exited this trade, because there is no point in making 1 lakh or 1.5 lakh holding this for 2 more weeks. I can get better entries from this point. So that's the reason I thought of exiting or coming out of this trade completely and taking new entry. So this trade we are completely out with a minimal profit of around 40 to 50,000. And that is our second trade where we didn't do any adjustment, but we just exited all the positions. So the next trade what we have is the Bank Nifty ratio spread. So here we have done a lot of adjustments and I'll be sharing everything with you now. So if you remember, initially when we started off with 34,000 put option. So this was what we started off with, right? And later, as the market started to shoot up, we got this to 34,500 put options. And now what we have done is we have shifted this further towards 35,000 put option. So what this does is, you can see the break even has been now pushed to 39,000 rupees. So if Bank Nifty actually moves towards 39,000, that's where my break even actually comes. And on the lower side, I am very comfortable with this range because I don't see Bank Nifty break 36,000 at all. So 34,700 is a very comfortable range for me. But I am still not happy with the upside. So the thing is, this is where my highest profit comes, that is at 38,000. But I see a lot of bullishness in Bank Nifty because most of the banks have underperformed. So I wanted to extend this break even little further. So what I did for this particular thing is that I have purchased 38,500, that is end of September, 40 lots buy. So this particular leg, 40 lots buy. So what this has done is it has pushed my break even somewhere close to 40,000. So this one buy leg made all the difference. And now if market consolidates somewhere over here, I will be getting somewhere around 6.5, 7 lakh of profits. So this is till end of September where I'll be holding this trade, and we'll see how this particular thing goes, right? So after this, what we have right over here is the last position, the Bank Nifty calendar. So here again we had a bullish bias and we haven't done any adjustments as of now. If Bank Nifty actually ends up going towards 37,000 or 38,000, we will be still gaining somewhere around 4 lakh from the current position. So which is again a very good number. So if it actually comes back, the highest profit is realized around 36,000. So that's where we'll be getting around 11 lakh profit. So no adjustments has been done to this as well. So we'll be holding this position as it is, and in case if it starts to come towards 36,200, we will consider doing some adjustments or coming out of this particular trade. So till then we won't be doing any adjustments, and this is the trade as of now. So Bank Nifty is actually expiring on 30th of September. So now we have Nifty calendar which will be expiring next week. So we are quite positive on Nifty. So we are expecting this Nifty to give us full 1.5 lakh because we don't see it go around 16,700. These two might need some amount of monitoring, which we'll be definitely doing. So now I'll be showing you each of the adjustments from here. So the first adjustment is obviously I'll show you the Nifty trade. So I will select the expiry dates 9th as well as 30th of September. So you can see here I have exited 16,700, shifted it towards 16,750 as well as 800, and I have also exited this particular put buy leg. So this is the adjustment what we have discussed, and we have this position running. Next trade is obviously the trade which I have already closed in Nifty. So coming to Bank Nifty trade, so right over here we have the calendar spread, that is this one. So you can see 80 lots, 40, 40 and 10. So you can see 80 lots, 40 lots, 40 lots and 10 lots. So this is the current position, and then we have the last ratio spread which I'll be showing. So this is the ratio spread. So you can see again right over here we have 4,000 quantity which we have shifted from 34,500 towards 35,000, and apart from that we have this particular leg which we have purchased today, and these two legs which we have in the ratio otherwise. And one more thing will be, today will be a little early to actually look at the OI data, because what exactly will happen is tomorrow lot of new contracts will get added in the morning. So when we actually observe it tomorrow, it will make more sense rather than seeing it today. So tomorrow we will be doing a lot of OI analysis and try to estimate where the market range might be for the coming week, right? With that, we also come to the end of this video. In this video, we just discussed about all the positions which we have open, as well as we also discussed about the adjustments what we have done. So before signing off, I'll just show you the last trade which I have exited everything. So that is in Nifty. This is the trade of Nifty which we have exited everything. So you can see the net quantity is 0, and obviously it shows a negative P&L because we had shifted everything from 16,500 towards 16,800. So whatever we have booked in 16,500 will be coming under realized, and hence the P&L will actually be negative because that contract is no longer available. The overall profit for this particular trade was somewhere around 40 to 50,000. With that, we also come to the end of this video, and I hope that you guys have liked the content and you understood what was the reason behind adjusting, how the adjustments have made changes to the payoff. And if you are liking the content on this channel, then please do hit the like button, share, as well as subscribe. Thank you so much for joining, guys.